Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to apply shake video effect in Filmora. This is very easy. I have this video. I want to apply shake video effect on this project file. So first of all, go to the effects option and here is video effect, AI portrait and shake. Here we see there is a lot of shake effects. So I choose this effect on here. Let's start video and you see this is the shake effect. Here is before and here is the after. Now check. There is no effect. We go back and now check this. The video is shaking. This is the shake effect. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.